Five9 Call Center for Business Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get call center software wrong. They think it's just a phone system. The surprising truth about Five9 is that it combines cloud telephony, AI, and CRM integration, and you won't believe how much it can improve customer service efficiency. Here's how it works. Five9 provides cloud-based contact center solutions, including inbound and outbound call handling, automatic dialing, and AI-powered routing. Integration with CRMs like Salesforce ensures agents have customer data at their fingertips. For example, a support team can use Five9 to automatically route VIP customer calls to senior agents, while AI chatbots handle routine inquiries. Most people get this wrong. They assume efficiency comes only from more staff, but Five9's automation and analytics increase productivity without adding headcount. Additional features include call recording, real-time reporting, predictive dialing, and workforce management. Users praise flexibility, scalability, and improved customer satisfaction metrics. However, there are considerations. Pricing can be high for smaller businesses, and setup requires careful planning. Most people assume cloud systems require no oversight. Regular monitoring and training are still needed for peak performance. In conclusion, Five9 is ideal for businesses looking to scale their call center operations with advanced cloud tools, AI automation, and data-driven insights. Subscribe for more honest reviews of call center and business software.